You're thinking about a career in IT. Great. You're probably wondering about all these certifications you've seen in your research. What are they? And more importantly, what do they mean? An IT certification is a designation mapped to a specific skill or competency measured by standardized testing. In other words, you take an exam to earn a certification. Earning a certification shows your technical knowledge on a platform or technology, coupled with your dedication and motivation to learn it. It also serves as proof to a potential employer that you know and can do what you say you can do, since it's a third-party validation, meaning the certification body has confirmed that you have these skills. Because certification exams are challenging and designed to confirm specific skills, employers are often willing to accept them in place of job experience. That makes certifications an ideal entry point for those looking to start a career. The most popular IT certifications come from an organization called CompTIA. These certifications are considered vendor neutral, meaning that they're general skills for IT pros. Alternatively, you can get a certification from a vendor like Cisco or AWS. These certifications will be specific to those technologies. These exams are tough, and they can be expensive. It will take quality training plus many hours of studying and practicing to pass them. You can use tools like practice tests and virtual labs to help you along the way. Once you pass them, however, you'll see a lot of job opportunities open up to you, regardless of whether or not you hold a college degree. It's definitely worth the time and investment. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the button for notifications from ACI Learning to find out more about starting your career in IT.